First of all, ad blocking softwares. There will be a lot of influencers that will be spending their time increasing their content and increasing the volume of their content as well as the quality of their content. Gaming solutions, mobile manufacturing units, homemade creation content, which means that people who want to do it yourself videos will be doing a lot of stuff right now. They'll be accessing your Instagram channel if you are a do it yourself sort of a content creator. Plus video on demand portals, they will increase a lot. Plus there'll be a lot of augmented reality apps and virtual reality apps. This is Social Buzz e-learning, Ambud Saxena, talking to you about COVID-19 and its impact on our digital consumption. Coronavirus has wreaked havoc around the world. Wuhan is the birthplace of it, and since then it has grown in prominence and destruction all over the world. India has also entered the stage of a lockdown. However, looking at the global trends of lockdown, there are a few things that are worth noticing and mentioning with each other. Coronavirus and the lockdown is actually inducing a sort of lifestyle change for us. We are changing the way we consume things. We are able to understand new facets of life. We are able to understand and clear out of our systems things that are not so relevant to us. The industries, especially supply chain industry or media industry or food and beverage industry, which have a very high focus on people-to-people interaction, have definitely gone into loss. We have also seen e-commerce companies going into loss because supply chain is getting affected, manufacturing units getting into loss. However, there are a few things that are positive in this in the lockdown. First of all, I never could imagine my streets of Delhi so deserted. I could never imagine. I could never imagine people being socially distant from each other, which this lockdown brings with itself. And this effect has brought to the fore whatever media consumption has also going to change. For example, Disney, world's biggest content creator and distributor, has closed down all its theme parks all over the world. Now just imagine Disney, which gets 34% of its revenue from its theme parks, is closing it down. So what to talk about you and me running our businesses? We're all looking at losses. However, if we look at the positive points of it, there are a few things that are coming out positively for many industries. As we spend more time at home with our families, our family bonds are getting better. We are spending more time on ourselves, on the people around us who really matter to us, which is also leading to consumption of online media. So in that vein, I would just say that video on demand, which means Netflix, Amazon Prime, ZEE5, Hotstar, and many of these, Apple TV also, they will all grow into prominence. And lockdown period will also show that digital consumption, which used to be luxury earlier by many segments of society, considered by many segments of society, will actually become a necessity and a habit for many. And video on demand will be one of them. Now, when you watch videos on demand, or when you listen to a lot of music streaming apps like Spotify, you want to have an ad-free experience, which means that when you watch videos or when you listen to audios online, you would want ad blocking softwares to be on your system. So ad blocking softwares will gain into prominence. Apart from that, when you are too much online, when you are consuming content online, you're also vulnerable to a lot of social phishing and a lot of cyber attacks, as well as cyberbullying. Even when the mobile consumption has been increasing, we have been also seeing a lot of cases of cyberbullying. So cybersecurity agencies, cybersecurity codes, cybersecurity networks will also see an increase. As brands who are maybe looking to revamp their own marketing models or revamp their own branding strategies, they will also look at this as an opportunity as soon as the lockdown opens up to make a brand for themselves in the opening. Plus, there are a lot of people, a lot of director level people or even senior level people who are actually very, very knowledgeable, and they've spent many years in the industry. They've learned a lot of tricks of the trade. They will also like to do their personal branding and bring their knowledge to the fore. So this is the right time for any company to do its own branding strategy, to revamp its own branding strategy, plus the knowledge and change makers to induce more changes. Apart from this, there's one more trend that is clearly visible, and that is online gaming. Now, when you are spending more time, and specifically mobile gaming refers to the games that we used to play earlier, Ludo, Snakes and Ladders and all things like that. We used to play them earlier. Now, there's a trend that they are coming back in trend again through some apps called House Party and all. Plus, there are some video conferencing apps like Skype, like Zoom, like Google Hangouts. Even they are being used, and in this period of lockdown, I'm sure that they will be used very much. And if any software manufacturing company takes due consideration of these, they can actually build on these platforms or similar to these platforms some more added features that can help offices maintain a very good employer-employee relationship and help in the wellness of the employee. Next, what I see is that there are a lot of online classes that are happening. If you know a skill, you can tell it online. If you know a skill, you can talk about it through a podcast. This is one example of it. So if you know one skill and you know some knowledge about it and you have some stats to back you up with, there are a lot of online classes that are happening. Plus, this time of lockdown also brings along with it a lot of social anxiety. People are anxious what their futures are. People are anxious how they are going to fare 5 months down the line. So there's a lot of mental wellness, spiritual wellness, people who trainers who are also talking to their audience and helping them relieve the stress. So in the evening you would see a lot of people, including me and at my home, doing a lot of cult fit classes, doing box fit classes, doing salsa classes online and for free. Plus you would also see in the morning people just waking up to a bhajan kirtan or a nice a nice quote from a nice mental spiritual wellness coach. Audio consumption has also been hit a bit because when you don't travel from one place to another in a city, in a metropolitan city like Delhi and Mumbai, you also do not consume a lot of radio channels, which means that your audio consumption is getting affected. However, to reverse that change, there is a lot of increase in the number of podcasts that are happening. Like this one is not just a vlog, it's also going to be a podcast. So people are going to Spotify and other podcast apps, for example Anchor.fm or Buzzsprout or Comcast. They are going to these apps to listen to more content and to decrease their mobile screen time by listening to more podcasts. Comscore is a prominent website that tells you about the website hits of a particular sector. Comscore tells us that in the period of lockdown and COVID-19, there's a surge of people who are starting to visit government websites and even news websites. So Comscore tells us that there were almost 8 million hits to 3 websites, CDC, NIH and WHO, in the starting of January. Just 8 million hits. And by mid-March, where we are right now, it is 46 million hits. It is almost 6 times what the number of hits were. It also tells us, Comscore also tells us that top news websites collected from almost 40 prominent news journals, they said that there were almost 417 million hits in starting of January in these top news websites, and now these hits are almost 520 million. It's a big increase. Plus, very interestingly, Johns Hopkins Corona Research Center tracker, with the epidemic going across the world, it used to have just 1.7 million hits in starting of January, and now it has almost 3 times, 5 million hits. So the number of hits, the number of anxiety levels, the number of people seeking more information is actually increasing a lot. This is also leading to a lot of people accessing health retail websites, health information websites, business and finance sites to understand how the world economy will fare 5 months down the line. So in a nutshell, some industries that will see a boom, they are not all the industries I could mention, and there are a few of them that I have brought to your notice. Is first of all, ad blocking softwares. There will be a lot of influencers that will be spending their time increasing their content and increasing the volume of their content as well as the quality of their content. Gaming solutions, mobile manufacturing units, homemade creation content, which means that people who want to do it yourself videos will be doing a lot of stuff right now. They'll be accessing your Instagram channel if you are a do it yourself sort of a content creator. Plus video on demand portals, they will increase a lot. Plus there will be a lot of augmented reality apps and virtual reality apps. China, the country which was most affected from Wuhan, has started seeing a surge in augmented reality apps as well as virtual reality Oculus glasses also. They started seeing an increase in those manufacturing units as well. Plus you could also take cognizance of video conferencing platforms as well as mobile app marketing opportunities in your area. So that's it for SocialBuzz e-learning. These are the sectors that you should be looking out for when you venture your business into a bigger domain during and after lockdown. That's it from Ambut Saxena, signing out from SocialBuzz e-learning. Thank you.